Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. Today we're trying on the SKIMS Swarovski Jelly Sheer Square Neck Bodysuit in the color Onyx. Alright, so if you've seen any of the other Swarovski SKIMS unboxings on our channel, you will recognize this packaging. A little bit about the backstory is that the octagon on the front is intended to represent a Swarovski crystal, where the logos on the sides of the box represent the branded names SKIMS and Swarovski along the facets. I really do think that they nailed it with this packaging. It feels very luxurious, and honestly, it feels like a clean experience. As you can see, with all of the details down to the Swarovski SKIMS, clean white tissue paper that just comes very polished and unwrinkled. What I mean is that this really just feels like a fresh, new, untouched item. Alrighty, pulling out our item, we get an instant shock of Swarovski crystals. Of course, we do have the overhead lights on, so they are glistening very beautifully, but I think it just shows that when these crystals do catch the light, they are going to sparkle. Okay, going ahead and taking the packaging off. First impressions of this bodysuit were that it was a little thin and wrinkly. Now, I haven't tried SKIMS' other products that are similar to this without the crystals, so I'm not sure if that is a standard element of this type of material, but it struck me as a little strange to be so flimsy. That being said, I do know that this could be either a standalone top or an under cami, so take it for what you will. We will try this on towards the end of the unboxing so you can get the full effect of, inspiration for how you might wear it yourself. One stylistic element to draw our attention to is actually the placement of the crystals on this. So this item has the similar type of more concentrated crystals towards the chest, and then a dissipation towards the tummy area, just like the cami dress. However, when we take a look at other items such as the bandeau, we see all over crystals. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you like this orientation of more concentrated crystals at the top and then a dissipation towards the bottom? Or were you hoping for a few more crystals? Okay, trying this on and getting a first look at the bodysuit, I do think it looks like a very nice fitted top. I do think the distribution of the crystals was flattering, and I think the neckline and the backline were very attractive. Let us know if you agree in the comments. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.